Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. First, you will need to open an Etoro account and complete the necessary verification steps. This typically involves providing identification documents to ensure compliance. Once your account is set up, you can fund it using various methods, such as a bank transfer, a credit card, or an e-wallet. Make sure your account is fully verified to access all features, and avoid any potential withdrawal limitations. Next, let's find Bitcoin within the eToro platform. Head over to the Discover section, which is easily accessible from your main dashboard. In the search bar, simply type Bitcoin or BTC to locate the asset. Once you find it, click on the Bitcoin listing to view its current market price, historical charts, and other relevant information. From this page, you will see a prominent trade button. Click this to proceed to the order execution window. Now it's time to execute your trade. In the order window, you will specify the amount of money you want to invest in Bitcoin. You have the option to choose between a market order, which buys Bitcoin at the current available price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price at which your order will be executed. After entering your desired amount and order type, simply confirm your purchase to acquire your Bitcoin. Finally, let's talk about managing your new Bitcoin investment. Once your purchase is complete, your Bitcoin will be visible in your eToro portfolio. From there, you can monitor its performance, track its value, and even set stop-loss or take-profit orders to manage your risk. For enhanced security and control, you might also consider transferring your Bitcoin to the eToro Money crypto wallet, which offers a dedicated solution for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.